In this video, we are going to solve questions of exercise 10.2 of class 10th chapter 10 circle. In this video, we will solve question number 9, 10 and 11 and the link for the remaining questions is given in the description box. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Akshar. I am Nana and I usually make videos related to mathematical solutions of NCERT for classes 9 to 12. So let's start question number 9 of exercise 10.2, right, which says that in figure 10.13, this figure is given in your book, right? So what says this figure? Says xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents. These are two parallel tangents to a circle with the center O. Center of the circle is given to you as O, and another tangent AB. This is another tangent AB with the point of contact C. Point of contact which it is making with the circle is C, intersecting XY at A, intersects XY at A and X dash Y dash at B and X dash Y dash at B. This tangent is intersecting these two tangents at point A and at point B. Okay, so you have to prove that your angle AOP, this complete angle is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so let us write down our given. Given is what? That tangent AB intersects two tangents to the circle, two tangents to the circle at point A and B. Okay, so what you have to prove? To prove is what? You have to prove, or you have to find out that angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. So let's start our proof. What does it says? That see these two triangles. To prove this example, to prove this question, we are going to use the triangle congruency property. Okay, so we are going to divide our complete angle in. So let us take these two triangles first. In triangle OPA and triangle OCA. Okay, in these two triangles you can see that OA is common, OPA and OAC. You can see that OA is equal to OA. Why? Because it is common. Okay, next this OC is equal to OP. Why? Because it is radius of the circle. Understood? Okay, next you can see that this A is an exterior point to the circle, and from this exterior point two tangents are drawn, which is AP and AC. Okay, so if any two tangents are drawn from the exterior point of the circle, then the length of the two tangents is equal. We have proved it in the theorem number 10.2. AP is equal to AC. Why? Because tangents drawn from exterior point of the circle are equal, right? From exterior point of circle are equal. So that means my triangle OPA is congruent to triangle OCA, right? So that means if these two triangles are congruent with each other, that means my angle POA is equal to angle COA, right? So when you are writing the angles, use the figures in the same sequence in which you have written that triangles are congruent to each other. Means if I am using middle value P as first, then here also C will come at the first position. If O is at the first position and I am taking it at second position, so the first alphabet of this will come at the middle. Okay, so because it matters while calculating the angle. So what we have find out that angle POA, this angle is equal to angle COA, this angle, both the angles. Okay, let us give this as equation number 1. So similarly, we can use this triangle COB and triangle QOB. So similarly, we can say that triangle COB is congruent to triangle QOB. So what does it mean? It means that my angle COB is equal to my angle QOB. So let us suppose this is my equation number 2. Right, so now we will take use of so now we will use क्या हो गया इसको so now we will use the concept of straight line. Concept of straight line is what? You know that PQ is a straight line. Since PQ is a straight line, so that means sum of all the angles formed on the straight line is what? Sum of all the angles formed on the straight line is always 180 degree. When you draw the angle, so what you see? When you draw angle on the straight line, then this angle is always 180. So if I will do partition in this angle, still the sum of all the angles will be equal to 180 degree. So we are going to use this concept only. That means my sum of all these 4 angles is equal to 180 degree. So write down that angle POA, this angle POA plus angle AOC is equal to plus angle COB plus angle QOB. This is going to be equal to 180 degree. Okay, so now in place of POA I can write down COA because both the angles are equal, plus instead of AOC I can write down COA plus angle COB as it is, plus angle QOB instead of QOB I can write down angle COB because both are equal to each other. So that means 2 times of angle COA plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree. Angle COA plus angle COB will be equal to 90 degree. Right, so what we have proved that COA plus COB is equal to 90. So summation of this complete angle is what? Complete angle is my angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. So this is the equation, this is the condition which we have to prove in our given question. Right. Moving to question number 10, which says that prove that the angle between two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the points of contact at the center. Okay, so let's read the statement in parts. What does it say? Prove that the angle between two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle. So there is some angle which is formed where? Which is formed where the two tangents drawn from the exterior point of the circle. This angle is supplementary. Supplementary means the sum of both the angles will be equal to 180 degree. This angle plus the sum of which angle? The next, which is given in the next statement. Supplementary to the angles subtended by the line segment joining the points of contact at the center. So there is another angle joining the points of contact at the center. Points of contact are what? A and B. When these points of contact are joining at the center, then this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. We have to prove this thing, right? So let's write down the given. Given is what? Two tangents are drawn from an exterior point of the circle P, right? Then to prove is what? To prove is that we have to prove that our sum of angle APB plus angle AOB is equal to 180 degree, because it is given to us that we have to prove that they are supplementary to each other, and supplementary means they have a sum of 180 degree. Okay, so let's start our proof. So what does our proof says first? According to theorem number 10.1, this OA is perpendicular to tangent PA, right? Since OA is perpendicular to AP, so that means angle OAP is equal to 90 degree. Why it is perpendicular? You know the reason very well, that the radius at the point of contact to the tangent makes an angle of 90 degree. To the tangent makes an angle of 90 degree, right? So angle OAP is equal to 90 degree. Similarly, this OB is also a radius, and OB is perpendicular to what? OB is perpendicular to BP. So that means angle OBP is equal to 90 degree. So this is suppose my equation number 1, and this is my equation number 2. So now you can see that this is a quadrilateral OAPB. So in quadrilateral OAPB, the sum of all angles will be equal to 360 degree. So write down the sum of all angles. That means angle OAP plus angle APB plus third angle will be what? PBO plus angle BOA. This is equal to 360 degree, right? So next write down the values. You know that angle OAP is equal to what? It is equal to 90 degree plus angle APB plus angle PBO is also what? This is also 90 degree plus angle BOA is equal to 360 degree. So this 90 plus 90 will become 180, and then it will go to the right hand side and it will become 360 minus 180. It will become equal to 180 degrees. So this was the given condition which we have to prove. Angle APB plus angle BOA is equal to 180 degree. So to prove that, we have used two concepts. The first concept is related to theorem number 10.1, which says that any radius drawn on the tangent at the point of contact makes an angle of 90 degrees. So both of these angles were equal to 90 degree. Next we use the concept of the quadrilateral, that sum of all the angles between the quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Okay, moving to question number 11, which says that prove that parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Circumscribing, I have told you earlier also that circumscribing is what? That inside this parallelogram a circle is drawn. Okay, so what we have to prove? That the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. We have to prove that this parallelogram is a rhombus. So given is what? Given to us is that parallelogram circumscribing a circle. Okay, so to prove is what? That ABCD is a rhombus, right? Instead of parallelogram, this is what? This is a rhombus. Rhombus means what? What does it mean? What is the property of rhombus? That all the four sides of the rhombus are equal. That means AB is equal to BC, BC is equal to CD, and CD is equal to AD. If all the four sides AB, BC, CD and AD are equal, then that means that parallelogram is a rhombus. So let's start our proof. Since we know that this ABCD is a parallelogram, so opposite sides are equal. Since ABCD is a parallelogram, so that means my AB is equal to CD. Opposite sides are parallel and equal, and BC is equal to AD. Since A is the exterior point to the circle, so that means the tangent drawn from this exterior point to the circle are equal in length. So that means AP is equal to AS. Okay, next, since this D is again the exterior point to the circle, so that means DS is equal to DR. This DS is equal to DR. Next, C is the exterior point to the circle, that means CR is equal to CQ. Okay, next, this B is exterior point to the circle, so this time BP will be equal to BQ. So this is my equation number. So suppose this is our equation number 1, this is our equation number 2, and this is equation number 3, this is equation number 4, 5 and 6, right? So add equation number 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have done the similar question earlier also in this exercise, right? So when I am going to add left hand side with the left hand side and right hand side with the right hand side, what I will get? See, let us see. I am simply writing all the terms in the equation and doing addition of them. Okay, so what I will get? AP plus BP. This AP plus BP is what? This is complete AB. Okay, next, DS plus, गलत लिख दिया ना मैंने, यहाँ पे DR नहीं, यहाँ पे CD आना चाहिए ना. CD लाने के लिए मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? CR प्लस DR. हाँ, DR लिखना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे, प्लस DR plus CR, which will be what? Which will be CD. Okay, and from here AS plus DS. AS plus DS is what? It is my AD plus CQ plus BQ. CQ plus BQ is what? This is BC. Okay, and earlier we have proved that AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC because both are the sides of a parallelogram, right? So instead of writing that AB is equal A, instead of writing AB, I can write down CD plus CD is equal to, instead of writing AD, I can write down BC plus BC. So that means 2 times of CD is equal to 2 times of BC. So that means CD is equal to BC. Okay, so CD is equal to AB. CD is also equal to what? CD is also equal to AB, and BC is equal to what? BC is equal to AD. So that means all 4 sides of a parallelogram are equal. So that means it is a rhombus. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates of my new videos. So please add your comments in the comment box if you want to know any other topic of classes 9 to 12. So let's meet in the next video in which we will solve exercise 10.2. Till then, take care and bye bye.